In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts on Google Docs. Whether you're working on a creative project, a professional report, or just want to freshen up your document's appearance, adding new fonts can make a significant difference. So, let's dive straight into it. First, you'll want to start by opening up your desired Google Docs document. If you haven't logged into your Google account yet, make sure to do so. Go ahead and navigate to docs.google.com and open the specific document in which you want to add fresh fonts. Once you have your document open and ready, it's time to start looking at font options. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find the font drop-down menu. Clicking on this will display a list of all the fonts currently available for use. Now, here's the key. You should scroll all the way down this list. If you're not already familiar, the default font list in Google Docs might seem limited, but there's a nifty feature you don't want to miss. When you reach the end of the font list, you'll notice an option that says, Show More Fonts. Go ahead and click that. This action will lead you to Google Docs' extensive fonts catalog, showcasing a wide variety of fonts that are not visible in the initial list. This additional catalog is a great tool for finding fonts that suit various creative or formal needs. Once you're in the fonts catalog, take a moment to look around. You can either browse freely through the entire list or use the search bar if you have a specific font in mind. Additionally, don't forget about the filter options. These allow you to sort fonts by category, whether you're looking for handwriting, serif, sans serif, or any other style. This functionality is particularly useful if you have a particular aesthetic or professional requirement. Now comes the fun part: selecting your new fonts. Simply click on any font that catches your eye. Clicking on a font adds it to your active font list, making it readily available for use within your document. You'll notice this immediately upon returning to your document, as the newly added fonts should appear in your font menu. With that last click, you've successfully added new fonts to your Google Docs options. Feel free to try out different fonts in your text by selecting them from the font drop-down menu and applying them to see how each looks and feels against your document's content. Experimenting with fonts can bring out the best visual appeal and help convey your document's tone more effectively. Remember, having an array of font choices at your disposal can enhance not only the aesthetics, but also the readability and professionalism of your documents. So enjoy your newfound freedom to customize and create documents that are uniquely yours.